We'll guide you through how to make resume using Blackbox AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a simple way to create a professional resume using AI without designing it manually. Many users, especially students and job seekers, need quick HTML resume templates. This guide helps them generate resume code easily and open it properly in a browser for review. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type blackbox.ai carefully into the address bar to access the official website. Then press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the site. Once finished, you will automatically be taken to the Blackbox AI website homepage. Next, click Home in the upper right corner to make sure you are on the main page. Then, click Sign in the upper right corner to begin the login process. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure it is correct. Then, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing mistakes. Click Login to enter your account. After logging in, click New in the upper left corner to start a new project or chat. Next, enter your prompt. For example, create code to create a resume in the name of Alexander with a doctoral degree. Create it in HTML format. Then, click the up arrow icon to start creating and wait while the system generates the resume code. Once finished, click the copy icon to copy the code you created. Next, open your Visual Studio Code application on your computer. Click File in the upper left corner, then click New Text File to create a blank document. Paste the code you created in Blackbox AI into the new file. Then, click File in the top left corner again. Then click Save to store your work. Type your desired file name in the provided field. Click Save as Type, then select HTML and click Save to save the file in the correct format. Once finished saving, click the file to open it in your browser. Once opened, review your resume carefully to make sure all information and formatting appear correctly.